Yes, I'm thinking big on this one. AIMAGE with partnerships and production will make this thing fly, along with the community and the team and the great vision of this. And this is one reason why this thing is up 54% of the day at the recording of this video, because it has a vision and it definitely has to area to grow. And I'm going to start with $94 million market cap. I know you're probably thinking it's too high, but I don't think so. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I'm the captain, and when I see numbers like 54%, that lets me know we got room to grow. So if you hold an AIMAGE, you're gonna like this one. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, if you're holding 12, 30, 40 million, AIMAGE, you're probably sitting pretty good right now, okay? So if you had $94 million market cap, any of these numbers looks really good. 1 million at 94 million, $19,000. Well, check this out. 50,000 AIMAGE, $983,000. Let's go to 190 million. Now, this is just estimation, entertainment purposes, but why not look and think big? Because the AI space is definitely going to make its footprint this year in 2024. So let's say you're holding, 18 million, price goes here, 713,000. But millionaire status is 30 million and above. That's right, of AIMAGE with these type of prices. Now, to me, I think it's got room to grow. Why? It's because when you have partnerships and when you have good production, it makes me think like this could reach the levels. And I understand this could be high because I did some that's a little bit lower, like 8 million, 27 million. So find your price and find your actually amount of AIMAGE, and let's see what happens down the road. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, I'm thinking bigger than 94 million, $100 million market cap, because I'm looking right here, millionaire status. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.